What exciting adventures will we choose?
We've been in Miami for one day and we're going to our second ship, and you can see there's a few ships parked waiting for passengers, and we're going into the tunnel.
And there is the MSC ship waiting for us to get on it.
And it's right beside the Norwegian. We could have just stayed in that customs terminal all night.
That's right, we could have just stayed in the terminal side by side. We've had an absolutely fantastic cab driver. He's been just fantastic.
My pleasure.
And just for those of you who are wondering how much it costs to go, the total fare is $40.53. So for $40.53, depending on traffic, that's about what it costs to get to the cruise ship terminal. We're standing in line to get on the MSC Magnifica. It's a very short line. It's not the huge Disney Corral like we were getting off of the Encore. So this is pretty good. It's going pretty fast. Now that we're through the security of the X-ray and the body scan and all that stuff, now we're in line for the actual boarding passes. And the line's a little bit longer because of course it's always held up a little bit. We're the next ones up. We don't know which wicket we're gonna get. And they still do it old school. They still take your picture, and here we go. And here we are.
Passports. We have the scanners.
Start off with passports. Sorry. And then boarding pass, and we'll be good to go.
This is me?
Excellent. And you have one for him, right?
I hope so. Come on!
All right, there you go. Perfect. So that's fine. As long as you have them for the boarding ship.
They do our scan though for the Q code for the boarding pass.
This is yours? That's mine and my wife's.
And as you can see, everybody's in the same boat, going out for the Q code, and then they take your picture.
You want to scan the QR for yourself? You know, do one camera at a time. This way. Okay, thank you. Next. Hello guys, scan the QR. I have to print it off for you. Have a number? 168. Negative. Perfect, thank you. Okay, we have 4 people there.
Thank you very much.
Okay, first one. Anyway,
We're done?
Give me passport.
One nice thing is it's open boarding. You get your key card in the door. So we're on our way, and we are on our way. We'll be in our cabin in no time. Very painless. What would you say, Susan? Very painless system for boarding? She's nodding her head.
So far, so good.
Retired Time to Cruise, about to get on the MSC Magnifica. And here we are boarding C. And we come around.
We're going now.
And my favorite sign, to the ship. And like all cruises, everybody poses for their picture when they get on. Fantastic picture with the young person.
To the chef? Yeah. Oh, even though it says boarding?
They even have the iced lemon water and regular water. Kind of nice.
Do you want water? Yes, no.
Lots of first-time.
Yes, very much confused with first-time cruisers is right. Oh, nice inside ramp. Another one of my favorite signs, to the ship.
Put the code in.
And here we are on the gangplank, or gangway. Gangway, I always call it a gangplank, but it's a gangway. On the gangway to the ship. And there's the round porthole rooms. And there's the back of the Carnival Conquest. And there's our ship, the MSC Magnifica.
These gangways are really neat because they kind of accordion with the tides and the position of the ship. So it's never too steep of a ramp.
And of course we have no cruise card, but we do definitely have our Q scan. So we will be getting our cards when we get to our room. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you.
Well, that was painless.
Absolutely painless. Very nice. They put a little awning over the door to go in. Embarkation lunch coming up. Embarkation lunch, 12 till 1:30.
Thank you. Welcome aboard. Take the second elevator.
That's where I'm headed. Oh, the kitty check-in. They get a different bracelet because they have to have extra help in the lifeboats.
I'm assuming this is not the second.
Yeah, there's got to be one more. First impression is a very pleasant ship, not very crowded yet, easy to get around. Oh, and they have an MSC Future Cruises desk. Hello. Now that they're gone?
We're on. We're only one floor up here.
Oh, well, let's walk. Very elegantly appointed ship. Lots of glass, lots of brass, lots of cleaning for the crew, lots of fingerprints.
No, io su prima, dai, ci troviamo. Ci troviamo su là, allora. Sì, bravo.
Hello, good afternoon, sir, madam.
Hello.
Welcome on board.
Thank you.
Ma dov'è la mia? Valigia che ho portato?
Welcome on board, Mr. Darren.
Yes.
And, Madam Susan. So this is your key.
Certo, certo.
Thank you. Hope you guys like the room.
Perfect.
Le valigie porti dentro.
You're going to be our steward?
Yes, I'm holding the.
And how do I pronounce your name?
Adi.
Adi.
Yeah.
Adi.
Sorry, signora. Prego. Grazie, grazie mille.
Oh, you maleta.
La molletta, sì, grazie. Sorry.
This is the room.
Oh, very nice.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Anyway, this is your card. So I'm gonna take my card, this one.
Okay, we'll put our card in.
Right.
You have your card, Susan?
I have my.
Okay.
All right.
Perfect.
The cabin is already done.
Looks like it.
Very
I
nice.
hope you guys like the room.
And we have a view.
This is
that's
yeah,
good.
it's there.
We are on board, checked into a room, done our safety drill, checked in at our muster station, are now at lunch. And looking out from our table, the skyline of Miami, my table mates. Very, very quick. 1:24, we're all done, seated. Susan's gone to get her lunch. They serve lunch till 1:30. I'll get my lunch. Very quick. And of course the buffet is very full on the first day because this is the only place to have lunch, and lots of people haven't eaten since this morning after flying in and getting onto the ship or getting up at their hotel and getting to the ship.
Raise your glasses in the air. And on behalf of all of us here on board, thank you for choosing MSC. Most importantly, thank you for choosing MSC Magnifica. And in Italian style, salute!
We'll make new friends and make some plans. We'll post videos as we visit new lands. We love you to join us as we sail around in floating hotels of every brand. We're retired and it's time to cruise. Come and join us or watch our YouTube.